It's always our concern to simplify equations so that students will understand how steps are outlined. Now we have a partial fraction to solve. And how do we do this? We are going to do this very simple by considering the fact we can split this. We can still split this and equate it to something that will allow us to find the values of x, or so to say. Let's see, we can see that this is a all over x plus 2, and this is b all over x minus 5. We make things very easy for ourselves. And what happens next? Clear out. Just clear out. Okay, multiply both sides using the what? The denominator. Let's go without wasting time. So we have x plus 2, bracket close and open, bracket open once again, x minus 5, bracket close, and then we have this baggage, which is 3x plus 2, all over x plus 2, and then x minus 5, close. This is how to start it. We've done this way, right? Let's look at what it will be this way. The same thing. Don't change anything. X plus 2, bracket close, open again, x minus what? 5, bracket close, and a all over everything about ax plus 2. That is it. Alright, I'm taking it this way. And last thing is plus, watch this. We maintain it x plus 2, bracket x minus 5, and then b all over everything that has to do with b, which is x minus 5. Alright. Sounds interesting, right? Maybe you may think it's quite lengthy. It's not. That will make you understand how our cancellation will go and the spread of things. Look at it. We know which to cancel which. And look at it. This, we take care of this. And we are left with this. This, we take care of this. And we are left with this. That's what we mean. This, we take care of this. And we are left with this. That is it. Very simple. Let's bring out what we are left with. We have 3x plus 2. Good. This side. The other side we have bracket open minus 5x. X minus 5, and we have a remaining. Good. This side we have bracket open x plus 2, and then b. That's it. That's it. How do we now do this? First of all, we pick one. Which one do we want to, do we intend to eliminate? We want to eliminate A to be able to find B, or we want to eliminate B to be able to find A, whichever one you want. So let's begin with this. We cannot say x minus 5, that's for A here is equal to 0. We can equate it to 0. Therefore, x here is equal to what? 5. So x is 5. What next? Wherever you see x, you substitute with value what? 5. That's what it means. So let's do it this way. We now have 3 bracket 5 plus 2, alright? All equal to what? There we have what? 5. Bracket open minus 5, alright? And then we have A plus, let's see, these are plus. And what next is 5 plus 2 and bracket what? B. That's it. That's very simple. Let's go again. We have here, this is 10. 10 plus 2. Alright? Here, it vanishes. This becomes 0 and A. And what happens here? This becomes what? 7. Yes, 7. And we have B. If we bring out what we have here is 12. Alright? And then here it vanishes. It's 0. This becomes 7B. Good. That's it. We are making progress. Look at it. Everything has fizzled out. Let's see what remains. We then have, we can say all 7B. Let's check. Are we making any mistake anywhere? This is, yeah. We don't have any such problem here. So we have 7B is equal to 12. Therefore, B The value of b is 12 all over 7. How did we get this? Let's see. 7b over 7. And the same thing all through. So if we cancel this, we have b is equals to 12 all over 7. So that's the value of b. Okay? This is 7. Good. So let's find the value of a. We found the value of b. Let's find the value of a. We can still go back to this point. We can still go back to this point. Look at this. And clean up some certain things here. We can say, since we have this, okay, we can clean off here. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. We know what we have. Okay? Let's now find the value of b. Good. From what we have 3x plus 2 is equivalent to, what we meant here was 5x minus 5b, and then we have b. What we meant here was x plus 2, yes, and then b, good. So this is what we had in the first place. We don't need this anymore. So the next thing, we have used this to find the value of b, which is 12 over 7. We now have to use this to be able to find the value of b, of a, I mean. So we now have x plus 2 all equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus t. Good. So let's see. Anywhere we see x, we substitute with minus 2. And then we have, here we have minus 2, bracket 2, and then all equivalents to what? Here we have minus 2 minus 5, and then a remains, right? Plus, don't forget, plus, our sign is plus. Here, what do we have here? Minus 2 plus 2, and then bracket close, we have b. What happens here is minus 6 plus 2. Good. So what happens here? We can change this to both sides. What happens here is minus 7a. Good. And what happens at this point is 0. 0. Meaning b is going to vanish. b will vanish into the thing A, right? Look at it. Because of the presence of 0. It will vanish. So let's go once again. Can we go once again at this point? Yes, we can go. Minus 6 plus 2 is going to give us minus 4. Alright? All equal to minus 7a. This becomes completely 0. So we're not doing anything with this. This is just 0 plus 0. It's nothing. We don't need it anymore. We don't need it at all. So let's finish up here. We then have minus 4, okay, is equal to minus 7a. Or, so we can cancel out, not even or. We can cancel out, sign out. The two signs cancel each other. We now have 7a all equal to 4. Okay? We cannot divide through using what? 7. We can divide through now using just 7. It becomes 7a all over. What is wrong with this chalk? Okay. All over 7 again, okay? Equal to 4 all over 7, good. So this cancels out. We're done. We're through. So we have this, we have that. Okay? Therefore, A is equal to 4 over 7. Good. With this, we can now summarize. We can now summarize with this. So what this simply means, in our summary, we're going to have this. What it means, we now write the general equation again. 3x plus 2 all over bracket open x plus up 2, right? Bracket close and open again x minus 5 is equivalent. The value of A is 4 over 7. 4 over 7 all over what? X plus 2. Good. That's what it means. Let's go. We're on it. We're making progress. Plus the value of B. The value of B is 12 over 7. And we have 12 I will overcome all this addition. 12 over 7 all over what? X minus 5. X minus 5. Solved. It's been solved. That is it. So we have been able to find the values of A and B respectively to be 4 over 7 and 12 over 7 respectively. That's how to solve things like this or problems like this. That is it. Come on. Not, let me consider the fact you might be having problems or struggling with some of the steps. No problem. Put it in the comment section. Whatever you think that is a factor here, I want you to communicate to me. Communicate to me by putting your concern in the comment section. Let's resolve it. You're my friend, right? You all are my friends, my learners, my viewers. Give me some thumbs up. Don't forget, share with your students. Share with whoever is in this category, right? Let them learn. Belong to this family by subscribing. Alright, so that is it. It's done. Come on, I sign out to prepare for the next lesson.